Manigong bagong taon, mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. Napanood nyo ba yung mga playlist ko kung paano magpayaman at ano ang sikreto ng mayayamang mga tao? You go to my playlist, i-click nyo po doon. Or ano ba ang mga feng shui practices sa bagong taon para sa inyong living room, bedroom, kitchen, toilets, beds, kung paano ang mga placement para po gumanda ang ating pamumuhay sa bagong taon. Now, for this topic, ang ating tatalakayin ay aligned ito sa aking book review about man and woman relationship. Nandoon din yan sa playlist. Tingnan nyo po ang mga characters na sinasabi ng mga literature kung ano ang Chinese character ng inyong mga loved ones. You can acknowledge some of that kung totoo, and siguro baka hindi naman nagtutugma doon sa mga description ng mga isinasalaysay ng mga expert. For the year of the rat na natao, they are born in 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, and 2020. Ang mga rat ay ambitious, honest, pero wala pong naglalas na relationship sa kanila. Ang compatible na character sa Chinese astrology ay those people born in the year of the dragon, in the year of the monkey. Dapat mag-avoid ang rat ng those people under year of the ox. Ano naman ang character ng ox? They were born in 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, and 2021. Sila, ang mga ox, ay bright, matatalino, pasensyoso, and inspiring. They are outstanding companions, and they are compatible with rooster, but they must avoid those people who were born under the year of the sheep. Ang tigre. Okay? These were the people born in 1938, 1950, 1962, 1974, 1986, 1991, 1998 rather, 2010, 2022. Ay mga agresibo ang tigre, courageous, sensitive. They are the symbol of power in the Chinese astrology, and they are compatible with the dog and horse. They should avoid people under the year of the monkey. Ang sunod naman ay ang rabbit. These are the people born in 1939, 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011, and 2023. They are the luckiest sa lahat ng 12 na zodiac ng Chinese astrology because they are affectionate and shy, and they are clever. They are compatible with the sheep and pig, but must avoid the year of the rooster na mga tao. Ang sunod po ay ang year of the dragon. The most famous. Kung ang rabbit ay luckiest, ang dragon is the most famous, the most strong, and a great leader, and they are endowed with good health kahit matanda na sila. They are very passionate, and they are compatible with monkey and rat. They should avoid dog. They were born in 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012. So yun po ang mga Year of the Dragon. They are the most famous. For those who are born in the snake year, 1941, 1953, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013, the snakes are the most intelligent. They are wise. They have a very passionate and intense liking for physical beauty. Vain. Mga vain sila. With fiery temperament. Nako po. Magtago na kayo pag nagalit ang snake. And they seem to be not trustworthy. Nako po, Diyos ko po. Wag na lang. Hindi naman siguro lahat. Depende yan din yan sa upbringing and education. Ang Year of the Horse. They were born in 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014. The horse are very popular, attractive, warm-hearted. They are compatible to dog and the tiger. Okay? Ang sheep. They were born in 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, and 2015. The sheep or the goat are mysterious and elegant, amicably settle differences. They avoid confrontation. They are compatible with pig and rabbit and must avoid ox. For those who were born in the Year of the Monkey, for years 1944, 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, 2016, the monkeys are intelligent and a quick learner. They are sociable and witty. They are compatible to dragons and rats. They must avoid those people in the Year of the Tiger. Ang rooster, they were people born in 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, 2017. They are devoted to their work, but they are selfish. They are the best dressed in the party. They want to be noticed. Nako po. They are compatible with snake. Oo, kasi nga yung snake gusto nila, nakikita nila magaganda eh. Snake and ox, they are compatible but they must avoid rabbit. Ano po yung dog? Ayan. Ito yung dog ay born under the years 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, and 2018. They are the most generous but stubborn and sometimes lazy. They are compatible with the horse and tiger and must avoid dragon. For those who are born in the Year of the Pig, sino po yun? These were the people born in the years 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, and 2019. They are noble, the symbol of good luck and wealth in the Chinese belief, but they are prone to marital strife, sigig-away ng kanilang mga asawa. They are disliked by their partners. They are compatible to rabbit and sheep, but must avoid yung kapwa pigs or kapwa year na sila ay naging tao or isinilang. Thank you for listening, and we will tackle more. I hope you go to the Feng Shui tips. May playlist ako, i-click nyo po yung playlist. Nandoon ang mga tips kung paano po pumasok ang grasya sa bagong taon. Last day na po kayo dapat maglinis tomorrow. Huwag po kayong maglinis sa January 1 at huwag kayong gumasto sa January 1. Buy all the things that you would need for January 1, and if you can, do not spend kahit sa pamasahe, huwag kayong magtrabaho. Okay? So, I'm not really very strict about it, but my great-grandmother really taught us na pag January 1 nasa bahay lang. It makes sense naman kasi pag December 31, ang dami-daming mga lasinggo, naglalasing, kaya hindi dapat mag-aalis pag January 1 kasi ang mga tao, mga kulang ng tulog sa December 31. Common sense lang. I don't think it's just about bad luck. But, tama naman. I-cleanse mo na nga ang year. Dapat kung ano yung mga kailangan mo sa January 1 or first week of January, nandoon na yon sa inyong kusina at bahay. Including mga medical kit mo. Meron din akong medical kit. Tingnan nyo. Ang uso ngayon ay cough and cold at saka ang kati sa tainga. So, for that, Happy New Year again mga kapatid. Salamat at ikaw ay member ng aking community for those who have subscribed. Amen to that. May the force of the universe be upon us all and you listen up to this end.